Hi all, this is the second exercise in my playlist of favorite warm-up routines. To see the full playlist, click on the link at the end of the video. This is in D major. Now to slow tempo. The pattern is just scale from D down to D, and then to the next scale degree, next scale degree. The rhythm is 8th and 16ths. So it goes from D all the way down to D. Octave leap up, then C sharp to C sharp. Octave leap up, B down to B. Octave leap up, A down to A. Octave up, G down to G. Octave up, F sharp to F sharp. Octave up, E down to E. Now D down to D. Second part is just scale going up with endpoints at a 4th, and then up a 5th, down a step. Then repeats 4th, up a 5th, down a step, 4th, up a 5th, down a step. You'll see as I do it. So the first part is D to G, then E to B, down a step, then E to A, F sharp to C sharp, down a step, F sharp to B, G to D, down a step, A up to E, down a step, then A to D, B to F sharp, then B to E, C sharp to G, down a step, down one more step, and then from G all the way down to D. Now all the way up to D. If you like these videos, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And comments or questions on YouTube.